Hi all, let's do a design problem in with regarding to op amp. So the question is design an adder circuit to get the output expression as Vp equal to minus zero point 0.1 V1 plus V2 plus 10 V3. Okay, where V1, V2 and V3 are the input of the op amp. Okay, so in this question it's given Vp equal to minus of 0.2. From this also from this only we can understand that the problem that we are doing is of inverting type. Okay, so this is an inverting summing amplifier. Okay, also we can understand by the fact that there are different values for the amplification factor of each input. So from that also we can understand that it is an inverting summing amplifier. So the problem given so is the design question for an inverting summing amplifier. So let's state that this is an inverting summing amplifier. Okay, this is an inverting summing amplifier. So in an inverting summing amplifier, so where the output voltage, we can write the expression for the output voltage. What is the expression for output voltage in an inverting summing amplifier? So that is V out equal to minus of Rf by R1 into V1 plus Rf by R2 into V2 plus Rf by R3 into V3. Okay, so this is the expression for output voltage for an inverting summing amplifier. So let's say that that's equation 1. So what we have to get from the question, we can say we need to get Vp equal to minus of 0.1 V1 plus V2 plus 10 V3. Okay, this is what we want to get. So that's 2. So we can say comparing V1 and comparing 1 and 2. So basically we are comparing equation 1 and 2 by, we can already see that the equation is of same structure, so we can compare that and write that this value Rf by R1, what will be that 0.1. so Rf by R1 equal to 0.1. okay, then the other value Rf by R2, what will be that? The coefficient is 1, so R by R2 is 1. Then Rf by R3, that will be 10. Okay, so now there are 4 variables and we have 3 values. So in this situation we have to assume one of the values. Okay, so let's say taking Rf equal to 10k. Okay, we have to start from somewhere, so we have to assume the value of Rf. Okay, that is the feedback resistance, we are assuming it as 10k. Then R1 equal to, what will be R1? It is Rf by 0.1. okay, from this equation we can get Rf by 0.1, so that is 10k by 0.1, which is 100k. Then we can say R2, what will be R2? Rf by R2 is 1, so R2 is equal to Rf, which is already we can say 10k. Then R3, what will be R3? Rf by R3 is 10, then R3 will be Rf by 10, which is 10k by 10, which is 1k. okay, now we got all the values. Rf is 10k, R1 is 100k, R2 is 10k, and R3 is 1k. So since the question is designed, we need to draw the inverting summing amplifier circuit and put these values in that question. Okay, now we are going to draw the inverting summing amplifier. So we draw the op amp with 2 inputs, inverting, non-inverting input. Since this is an closed circuit, not an open feedback, so there is a feedback, so Rf will be there, and it's an inverting circuit, so all the inputs should be in getting to inverting terminal. Okay, there are 3 inputs, so basically V1, V2, V3, and the output is named as VP. The non-inverting terminal is grounded. So this one is R1, this is R2, this is R3. The R1 is RF is taken as 10K. R1 will be then 100K kilo ohm. So R2 equal to 10 kilo ohm and R3 is 1 kilo ohm. So basically this is the answer of this question. Okay, thank you everyone.